and do a water valve. Like to bang on it. Use some sediment. Without loosening it up or tightening it. Alright, let's loosen it. Just a little bit of water, hopefully. Just a little bit, not too much. Baby. Dang it. You had to sweat all the way there, huh? Great people. Or not. Look at that. Barrel slipping off with just my hands. Gotta love those. Something there. Sometimes I could use my sometimes I use this. Just bang it from here. Hold tight. That's nice. Came off as a whole. Nice and easy. Just gonna set it down a little bit, make sure it's nice and clean. Touch it. Nothing. Nice and clean. No groove on this one, so I don't have to cut back the pipe. But if I had to cut back the pipe, that would have sucked. Look at that sweat. That's the silver right there. Would have prevented me. But luckily, I don't have to worry about that. I could just slap on a new valve. Quarter churn. Some Blue Monster. Blue Monster for the win. Slap it on nice and generous. Oh, that's too much. A little bit off. Yeah. Just a little bit. Too much. this. Tighten it up nice. I know I'm not over-tightening it. I'm tightening it enough. Tightening it enough. That's a tongue twister. Just tighten it. You feel confident in yourself. Because if you're not confident in yourself, you're probably not doing a good job. Alright. Done deal. Turn the water off. Rub that excess off. You know? Oh man, some stuff today. See? Nice and easy.